we're coming to you guys with a video that Trendy is probably not too excited about, but I am happy that he agreed to do it. So basically what happened was him and Princess were playing Mortal Kombat, and basically they had a bet. Either she doesn't eat any more snacks for the rest of the day, or she would have to do his makeup, whoever wins. So of course Princess won because she's really good at it. So this is one of her gifts she got for Christmas, her little makeup set. This is one of them. I told her what happened to your other one. She's like, I don't want to use that. That's my professional makeup. I'm going to use that on myself. So she's going to be using this to do her daddy's makeup today. And do you have any final words?
Okay, let's get it.
Yeah, let's get it. Princess, I'm going to let you take... Oh, before you take over, I'm going to just really quickly... I got this iPad case. I don't have an iPad. I was sent this from a company. They just wanted me to do a review. It may look white, but it's not white. That's just something covering. That's just the paper inside. It's a clear iPad case. We are giving it away. If you live in the US and you have an iPad, it says 10.2. So I don't know if that's 10.2 inches. Then hit me up and I will send this over to you. I haven't even opened it or anything, but it's just a clear iPad case. And they sent me these eyeshadow makeup brushes. So it's 7 of them, and they are black. The color is black. They're just really simple. It has like gold on the tips of it. But the brushes are really soft, you guys. They're really soft. It's just a simple eyeshadow kit. I find this very useful. I don't always wear eyeshadow, but when I do, I love having these things. You could even use it for your highlight if you don't have, you know, your highlight brush or whatever. You can use it for a lot of things, because also I use it sometimes to clean up my nails or whatever. So you can definitely use it for several different things. So I'm going to go ahead and let Princess use these today because I just thought maybe she should have fun with them first and then, you know, give it back to me. So I'm like excited for this. I am so excited because I can't wait to see what happens. Hopefully it's nothing simple. Hopefully she goes all out and does whatever she wants with no complaints from you, Mr. Newby. So Princess, come in, girl. Come make him up for me.
Let's get it.
Oh my God.
Let's see what you do, Princess.
Oh, of course, Kaiden. Kaiden, say hi. We don't see you in the video. He said, make daddy a clown.
Oh, really?
Oh my
okay,
God.
that's why you want Princess to make me as a clown, bro?
That's funny.
All right.
Okay. You guys get to it. Princess, did you need to move up? Yes. Get up for a second. Let me see if I can move you.
Don't follow
Is that
Kylie
better?
and make me as a clown.
Yeah, you can just look at. Ooh, let me move this over a little bit. There we go. All right, let's get to it. Okay. I'm gonna be in the kitchen trying to get something to eat. Tonight is taco night, y'all. Yes. Yes. Oh, these are we're making tacos tonight. Yeah, it's really soft, right? All right, get to it, boo.
Let's get it.
I feel like this is the blush. So, instead of red blush, how about we do blue blush?
Okay, anyone
Oh,
choose?
maybe I should get mine set too.
Really?
And help you out there.
Yes. Nice, beautiful blue blush.
Kylie, why you want me to close my eyes, bro?
You need to slow to watch.
So you won't notice
Because that was
You telling Princess to make me as a clown? Okay, no problem.
something I Daniel's coming Oliver.
Yeah, I also got this. I don't really use it much, so.
Ooh, perfect.
Don't drop it. Yeah, y'all could go in on this.
Ooh.
Make it look beautiful.
I will make him look the best.
Oh my gosh.
They got me today. Oh,
Yeah. We got got
No
you,
big deal,
boo.
though.
We got you.
Okay, close your
Close
eyes.
it.
Yeah, beautiful.
Hey, get out of the camera.
Kylie, I hear you cracking up. Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's just Oh, okay, that's good. Perfect, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh my God! Keep going, girl. It's looking good. It's looking good.
Okay, now
My sexy avatar.
Oh, am I a avatar now?
Oh my gosh. Again, let me see what's going on over here. Ooh, girl. Ooh.
You just say I can do anything I want.
I don't blame you. Yes, you can. As you guys can see, yes, we still have up our Christmas tree. Do not judge us, okay? We are not taking it down until New Year's or after New Year's. I know people that don't even use it, that don't even they don't even take it down until like after January.
As an avatar.
You can make it perfect if you want.
Plastic surgery.
You can go on the other side if you want.
Oh. Guys, I'm using a lot of blue. What is this actually? Is this eyeshadow?
I don't know. I don't know anything about makeup.
Oh, right, you're a boy. Oh, man. You're gonna look perfect. Maybe I should turn you into a blue hat. With the book now. So yes, guys, as you see, he is slowly turning into something else.
Thanks. Oh my God. What in the world?
I'm turning him into a Smurf. La, 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 or an avatar. Which one do you think is better?
Anything you want to do, baby girl?
Why do you guys say that? Oh,
Do you like it, Cotton?
it's already got on your hair.
Careful. You don't want
Daddy,
to
I accidentally put it on his hair.
I will get you back. Don't worry. I'm gonna get you back soon, bro.
Go eat the rest of your food. You asked for those
You
Reese's.
look beautiful.
He loves Reese's.
Got some on his hair.
Oh my God, you're finishing my blue
Yes.
powder. Maybe you should try a different color.
Never.
Look at my set, you guys. Oh my gosh.
I'm using up all the.
Daddy, look what she did, y'all.
Okay, let me take some.
My blue powder is like,
slowly fading
she
away.
like dug into it.
At least he's looking beautiful.
Oh, I forgot the makeup. Not the makeup, I forgot the music. Let me find it.
Yeah, because Roblox is right on our TV.
I mean, I don't want to rip
Whoa,
out.
whoa, whoa, whoa. I got that from the Bahamas. Push it back.
It's our cute little man.
Really? Yeah.
Okay. I got some on his hair, you guys. So let's not worry about that. Any results? Maybe I should shave his hair one day. Make him nice, beautiful, and bald.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, we are almost finished with his beautiful face.
Oh my
Beautiful. He's beautiful.
He looks scary.
So guys, as you see right now, I am making a nose. He's gonna look beautiful.
You look great, babe.
Wait until all the people see you. They're gonna cheer for you and your beautiful nose. Okay.
Do you like my nose?
I love your nose. Oh my gosh. Put a little more on there, princess. Gorgeous. Flawless.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go all out and ruin it.
Oh.
Okay, so.
My nose look like what is it? What's that guy name?
Oh, who?
Will I breathe?
Without you, yes. Is it Mario?
Yeah, Mario.
Oh my gosh,
Mario.
what happened to that
Oh,
man?
will I breathe?
Oh my gosh, I don't know what happened to him. Like, he just stopped making music, apparently.
Guys, my hands are so amazing.
Oh my gosh, Princess, I'm gonna have to let you go back in yours. Look what she did in my white powder, y'all.
Oh, you look-
It was
Look at
fun.
that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think you can finish up with.
Kinda, don't worry. It's you gonna be next, boy.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
I'm just happy because I love to rush. I'm very impatient sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you look beautiful.
Doesn't he look great?
Okay.
So I'm gonna go in with some green.
Oh, yeah, some green.
Yeah, some green with my finger.
Okay.
Head up. Beautiful.
Mm.
You must be focused. You are a new model. You are named Gloria. I'm just putting on.
Ooh, look at that green lip gloss.
Mm.
It's not looking green, but okay.
It's nice and clear. Okay.
So, are you finished, honey?
Can I just put some?
Oh.
And results. He's
Oh, maybe you
beautiful.
should zoom up. So these are the end results. Princess, show everyone. Yes, of Princess's artwork. Woo! Thumbs up, girl. She did a
Got
good
him.
job. Got him.
Got me today. Today for you, tomorrow for me. Don't worry. I'm gonna get you.
Oh my God! But it's not me. You the one that lost the bet.
You said
Oh my
you
gosh.
wanted.
Exactly. So, you guys, thank you for watching.
I'll put lipstick on his hair.
This concludes our video of Daddy's losses.
Wow. See what they did to me today? Oh my God.
Do you like it? I didn't even ask. Do you like it?
Yes. Subscribe.
Do you like it?
Don't make sure you guys
I
subscribe,
love it. My
like,
daughter
and
did.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
subscribe, like this video, and if you like the makeup, hashtag.
Really? Hashtag nothing, girl.
Hashtag daddy.
Hashtag the Newby live. That's Princess is hilarious.
I am
Yeah.
beauty.
All right, my people.
You
See you
didn't know
next
he
time.
did.
See you next
Bye.
time.